Vantis VFR is a non-surgical hair loss solution designed to replicate thousands of natural hair follicles. We use an organic pigment deposited into the scalp, which gives the appearance of instantly thicker hair. The great thing about the Vantis VFR is results are instantly visible. They basically become more and more dense each session, with the average session being anywhere from 2 to 5 sessions. The pain tolerance is dependent on the actual individual. Most of our patients will say it's not painful, it's more of an irritating feeling. If patients are ever nervous about the pain, I will offer them a test patch just so they can feel exactly what the device feels like during their consultation. The best thing about the Vantis VFR is it does not do any type of damage to the hair follicle, and because we use organic pigments, we have not had one reported side effect other than mild redness, which is to be expected for the first 24 to 48 hours after. Vantis VFR is a permanent result. It may lighten over the years, but the pigment will never discolor, which is the best part.